Hello folks, this is David Schlossberg from Assured Concepts Group with our Educational Economic Update for August of 2019. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced July's stock prices, and I'll also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. The market advanced in July on encouraging earnings news and on anticipation that the Federal Reserve would cut interest rates. That anticipation grew after Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's mid-month testimony on Capitol Hill. The S&P 500 gained 1.3% for the month of July and passed 3,000 for the first time. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1% and the NASDAQ Composite increased by 2.1%. The Fed made a quarter-point cut on July 31st, and Chairman Powell did not suggest that any additional cuts were coming. Addressing the media, he called the move a mid-cycle adjustment to policy. Some analysts think the Fed cut was a precaution. Its latest policy statement cited global developments and muted inflation as factors, and those are concerns. Yearly inflation is still under the Fed's 2% target. At last look, China's economy was growing at its slowest rate in 27 years. Trade talks resumed between the U.S. and China, and on July 30th, the trade delegations met face-to-face in Beijing for the first time in months. The market certainty wants a quick resolution of the trade dispute, but the reality may be different, and as we know sitting here recording today, it was indeed different. In late July, Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin commented that it could take a few more meetings to see any progress, and our opinion is maybe more than a few more. Of course, by the time of this recording, additional tariffs have been imposed on Chinese goods, which has caused more disruption to the stock market. Throughout this month, the Fed and the U.S.-China trade relations will likely remain top of mind on Wall Street. Note that the Fed's annual Jackson Hole Symposium starts on August 22nd. This event attracts several bank officials from around the world, and the Street pays close attention to what they say. There will also be plenty of earnings calls as the Q2 earnings season rolls on. Well, that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is David Schlossberg with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of August 2019. Please remember that nothing I discuss here is a recommendation, and if you'd like to talk about your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 847-426-1077. I'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.